Hi, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I will be talking about reflective practice using learner attainment data, and I will be focusing on learners' non-test data and other information. I am Jeremia Kidigala from BSED English, and I hope you will learn something today with me. Now, what are non-tests? Non-tests are instruments that doesn't involve a test. It can be a further learning for students or learners. This focuses on learners' classroom assessment, activities, and learning experience. A non-test is often an alternate assessment. Teachers assess the learner's grasp on how well they understand and determine the topics or the lesson. Basically, non-test assessment is an assessment that measures the student's abilities directly with real tasks. A first example or the first type is homework. It is a practice exercise that usually plays part on the grading system. Sometimes it's reading, research, or other homework that covers a topic or lesson, and it might be a good use or a use on hands-on practical work. It can be a reflective task, a reading of a literature, or even a math problem that you weren't able to solve in class. Homework is known, or home is known as an extended environment of the school. This is why the learning never stops. The second one is we have the projects. This is usually designed for students to use their skills and develop their creativity. Projects are given early for completion. There are varied projects given to students in different subjects. They can create dioramas, vlogs, literary pieces, and more. Its goal is to foster creativity and group works mold students' collaboration. We also have portfolios. These are collections of projects and given activities to students. It exhibits the efforts, achievements, and their progress. Portfolios are an effective tool to examine the students' development throughout the learning process. It includes all of their works and it evidently shows how far they have progressed throughout the school year, of course. Now, one of my favorite is debates. These are activities that feature two opposing views about some issues and defend their side or position. Debates are my favorite because it is an efficient instrument that always triggers the critical thinking, reasoning, and justification of students. Debates greatly illustrates how students understand varied points. Now we also have the demonstration, a visual enactment of a selected lesson and activity. These demonstrations differ depending on the objective of a lesson. It showcases how concrete students understand the topic given. We also have games. This engages the scholars to enjoy their activities with learning and review to the topics or lesson. I think this is a way of making education more fun and worthwhile because knowledge or acquiring knowledge is more concrete once they enjoy what they're doing or students enjoy what they are learning. We have the rating scale. It can allow teachers to point and record the degree of frequency and behaviors of performance and skills displayed by learners. We also have cartooning. These are activities that tell us about the important situation, issues, and ideas. Just like projects, it actually ignites the creativity of students. Now we also have the notes. Students should write on lessons for them to possess some notes to read. This is very self-explanatory, and this is what we often do during discussions. The internships. This trains students to company or organization so they can possess a piece of experience and gain some qualifications to their work. Concrete experience can be obtained through internships. Students will be able to hone their sense of solidarity with first-hand experience in organizations. Now we have the advantages. What can we benefit from non-test data? Well, it can be assessed by multiple perspectives. It develops a measurable criterion. It is student-centered. It promotes creativity, and it engages a full life of learning. However, it also has disadvantages. It can be time-consuming. It must be carefully designed to the learners, and bad behaviors of learners or students can affect the learning process or the non-test data. And that will be all. Thank you for watching.